He walked out of the office carrying a brown box. 12 years of work, gone in 12 minutes. No warning. No thank you. Just, we're letting you go. Most people saw a man defeated. He saw a blank page. His name was Aaron. 35. 2 kids. A mortgage. A wife who tried to stay strong. He sat in his car for an hour that day. No music, no calls. Just silence. The kind that forces you to face everything you've been avoiding. He had always dreamed of building something of his own. But every time the thought came, he buried it under comfort. The salary. The safety. The routine. Now that safety was gone, and all he had left was the thought. For months he tried everything, job applications, side gigs, consulting work. Nothing worked. But in that stillness he started writing down ideas. One day a small one stuck. Helping local stores build their online presence. No funding. No team. Just a laptop and a promise. I'm not going back. He worked 14-hour days from his kitchen table. No applause. No results for months. But slowly, 1 store signed up. Then 2. Then 10. 3 years later, the same company that fired him called him back, this time not for a job. They wanted his company's help to move online. He didn't brag. He didn't remind them who he was. He just smiled and sent the invoice. 7 figures. Paid in full. That day he realized the truth. Sometimes life doesn't destroy your plan. It clears the space for the one you were too afraid to build. Getting fired didn't break him, it freed him. What looked like loss was just an invitation to start again. This time on his own terms. Because sometimes the fall isn't failure, it's the push you needed to fly.